Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. We can do about factorization by cosine x. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to sine x. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. So you got about du equals to cosine x dx. This one, that is about u. This one you got about u. Cosine x dx, we change for du. So, number 13, we can put number 9 plus number 4. And this one, that is about identities. So, we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about u plus number 3 equals to number 2 tan t, because if I put this one gone here, we have number 4 tan t square, number 4 and number 4. We can do about factorization. Tan t square plus 1, we change for secant of t square, and later that we simplify the square root and du. Now we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we got like this. Tan t, that is about secant of t square. This one we have number 1. This one, that is about the constant, so you got number 0. So I will put this one gone here and here. Du, that is about this one. So this one, we have number 4 tan t square. So number 4 and number 4, we can do about factorization. This one, that is about secant of t square. The square root of this one, that is about number 2 secant of t. Later that we simplify. So I will put number 2 go outside. So the integration of this one, that is about secant of t, and I will put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by number 2. And now we can find the value of t, that is about octane of this one. So I will put this one to change for t. About u, that is about sine x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.